Holy shit. Trying to run down here, guys. I seen the line take off. Ooh, fish on. Ooh, I got a barra. Here again, today again, and we're on a big permit, giant permit jack hunting again, guys. And I remember I told you yesterday, I was here yesterday, didn't pick up anything, guys, but I'll show you a few clips on that. Cleaned up this whole stretch, guys. They fixed this all up, and some ass came back here and dumped garbage again yesterday, right? All right, but somebody looked like they just lit it on fire. They're trying to burn that load of garbage because these idiots come back here and they dump garbage back here. And I hope the cops catch them because they're nasty human beings. Go to the landfill, you asshole. But big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Day today, and we outside. Me and Chris is here, guys. I brought Chris with me this time. Again. So Chris is out with me today, guys. He hasn't gotten his new fishing rod yet, Real Flankers. But once he gets that fishing rod, I'll drop it to him, get him set up, and get him out. Yep. But we out on the permit jack hunting today, and I promised you guys I'm gonna hook something up before this year's out. So stay tuned. Let me get these lines set. I'm gonna get in here. The wind is not up today, so we'll get some damn good audio today, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. And I'll see you as we hook something up. Stay tuned. Woo! Have the line set. Me and Chris got everything set up. Line set. Everything's out. Just waiting on the pickup now, guys. We got shrimp on the middle line. We got sea eggs on both other lines. And we also brought some chicken with us just in case of snapper fishing. Now we decided to go snapper fishing. But we're hunting for giant permits today, guys. I'm trying to get Chris to experience his first hookup on one of these fish today. And see if he can handle it, if he can manage such a fish. Let's see what's up, guys, and see what's going on today. I'll probably land the first one, and then if we pick up a second one, I'll give it to Chris and let him see how they work. All right, so stay tuned, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing, we are out here. Nothing like that round here, boss. Alright, Jamaican Shore Fishing, bless up yourself again, guys. I have a subscriber, Mr. Wayne Lewis, just stopped in to see me, and it's always a pleasure meeting up with you guys, just like it's a pleasure meeting with Mr. Wayne Lewis today. And Mr. Wayne Lewis does signs, guys, and put up signs all over Jamaica. So if you want any signs done, look him up. You want to give my contact number, Mr. Lewis?
776-9060.
Alright, that's Mr. Lewis's number. That's our 876 area code, guys. And make sure you just link him up, and you want any signs done, link up Mr. Lewis. Bless up yourself. Jamaican Shore Fishing.
Jamaican Shore Fishing.
That is it.
We are out here.
Alright. Hi guys, so that was Mr. Lewis stopping in to check me and Chris a while ago. Me and Chris is out here, guys. And look, Chris don't want to talk. You know, what make you don't want to talk, Chris? You're free of that camera, Chris?
Yeah, just chilling.
Eh?
Chilling, watching, see what's going on.
Yes, we're fishing and doing dumping prevention. But it is what it is. So let's get that line back out there, guys. Get a good cast on that. No wind today. 1 ounce lure weight going out pretty good. Hopefully we can hook on a big fish today, guys. And you're fishing with Chris and Jamaican Shore Fishing. Jamaican Shore Fishing Chris now, because once he gets his rod, I'll put him in the Jamaican Shore Fishing team and get Chris in as part of the Jamaican Shore Fishing team, guys. All right, and get him all set up. So stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We're gonna have some new t-shirts out that I'm gonna be issuing out. I haven't done them yet, but we'll get them done this week, sooner or later. I just haven't had time, guys. I've been busy. We're just looking for them fish, man. Just look for them, Chris. They'll come through, bro. Soldier crab, guys. So one of my friend, he just gave me a bait. So I'm gonna set the soldier crab because I know I'll have a better chance with the soldier crab. But I'm about to get this thing out, get this line out again. Out there, guys. Yes, perfect spot. Set your drag right. Right to the back of that reef with that soldier crab, guys. That's right. So my boy just gave me 2 of them. I got 1 more right there. There they go. And sea eggs. So we're setting those. Chris is there looking for something else. I don't know what he's looking for, but I'm getting hit on that soldier crab already. I'm getting hit on that soldier crab already, bro. As it went in, look, it's getting hit. Something's pumping in it. Or something hitting it like bing, 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 bing. You know what that? I want medicine, you know? Yeah. Look it up. I asked my man about it. I see a collect it. Yeah, then use them to make medicine and boil tea. And then come down from a river and for wash up. The only way to get them. I might pull this one back in and set the other soldier crab on it. There guys, I think we got a fish on. It's small. I don't think it's very big. Let's see what we got, right? He hitched it up, that's what he did. Mess with this line a little bit. Oh shit, watch that line. It's real little pain in the ass, this rod sometimes. Oh, guys, gotta watch my step. Not a damn thing on it. So we tried shrimp, chicken, sea eggs, and soldier crabs.
No. Love the chicken, Derek. Yeah.
Snappers. Yo, listen out to them line here. I know me. I walk down. Here. I'm gonna walk down a bit. Just listen out for the lines, bro. Just give me a quick yell. I'm not going to be that far away. I'm just going to go down there and try to set this line. I'm going to set this line down here. I'm not even going to take this with me. I'm just going to cast my lure. There you guys, so I'm going to walk. I'm going to search and see if I can pick up a barra. I'm gonna walk. See if I can pick something up down here. You soon come here. Just give me a yell if anything happen. So I'll walk and see if I can get my spoon lure out. Not really a good spot because of the reef, but down here I should be able to get a good cast in. Let me see what's going on down here, guys. Got one camera up and running. Let's see what's up. I'm gonna walk this wall. See if I can get little shallows and work the grassy area back. I might pick up a barra, I might not, I don't know. I keep watching my lines back there too. Yeah, it's high tide. Grassy area here. I get a pretty far cast with my lures. So I'm not really worried about distance. I just want to get in that deep section right there, that dark section, and run that lure back to me. I might pick up a jack or a barra or something off the sort. Let's see what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Ooh! He got off, that son of a gun. Long jaw hit it. Missed. Son of a gun. Ooh, fish on. Oh shit. Okay, let's try and stay dry. Line just went off, guys. Whoop, 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 whoop. I gotta get back over there. This is the shit that you gotta do. Oh shit, my pliers just fell. I gotta run back over here, guys. What the hell hit the line? Which one? Bro, I think I have fish there on the line. I remember run from weird under the dogs. Right, I meant really run from under stuff for that. Really, dogs?
The teeth, Jerry. It's a while ago.
They're up on the line. I didn't beat up on the line. Line empty, dog. I think I change off the rig off of this. Nah, waste no more bait out there, brother. Waste a bait there. You see if I some place where I know I pick up fish, that makes sense. See all this now? Fucking mess. All of them I have to cut up. You know? Take off the hook them off of them, take off them swivel off of it. All of them have to go cut up.
So where you want me to do it?
You can't go on.
So what do? Just cut off you hook them.
Yeah, the line now, come off. Look. So you clear off the hook them. You take off them, the swivel them off of it. You take off the hook them, everything off of it, brother. Not supposed to left on this. Except for the line where you are. You see me?
I'll put the hook and take off all of it.
No use it.
Yeah?
No use it.
Yeah, I'm going to put them in here.
Yeah. Don't put them in any water, put them right there. Well, see which one's going to hook up today. The only way that come loose unless one fish see it and pick you up, you know. It's a Carolina rig on this. Not a normal over under rig. One way this can go if you grab it. So you're not gonna get no false alarm on them now, here?
Yeah.
I need to tie a new Y lead. Took off all our hardware off, right, isn't it? Because I'm have to retire and then yeah guys, so we're here, man. We're lining up. We're trying to get some permit pickup today, giant permit on Christmas Day, guys. Me and Chris is out here working it hard today to see what we can pick up. So stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Yeah, shore fishing. We was down here earlier, trying to pick up a barra or something, and Chris caught me up there. I had to run all the way back up because he thought there was a fish on when there wasn't. It was like a false alarm. But I walked back down here, trying to monitor my lines, and at the same time get a few casts in down to that little wall down there and see if I can pick up a barra or something for you guys today and not have it be a nil day. Hopefully one of the lines up top pick up and we'll get a hit on one of those today, hopefully. I hitched up line there for a second. But we're just working the shallows. Like I said, I'm gonna walk these shallows. Who knows? Might get a jack or something in here feeding. That's gonna be a long ass run if I have to run around there. Grass, very low grass. Highly doubt it. I'm gonna get a pickup right here, but let's give it a shot. Low grass. Nothing. So we'll walk down to this corner right here and see if we can actually get a pickup. A whole bunch of seaweeds on this side. Real shallow down here, guys. Won't be able to pick up shit down here. Really, really shallow. Nothing. Shallow, bad shallow water. You literally would have to get out there in that grass to cast out. Yep, grass, as I figured. Lots and lots of grass. Grass. All grass, guys. Nothing but grass. Ooh, fish on. Ooh, I got a barra. Ooh, barracuda on, guys. I knew they wasn't gonna let me down today. Got one. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. That's what's up. First one of the day, guys. Little guy, I didn't think he was gonna be there, but got there. I didn't bring none of my gears with me down here to take this fish back up, guys. He hit that line pretty good too. Get him off. Little barra, guys. He was just hanging out here in the grass. Well, we'll bring him back down. Holy shit! I'm trying to run down here, guys. I seen the line take off. It come off! Me bumbo clad! Me see when the line take off, you know? Yo, me see line take off and run, you know? Now what?
Wow.
How the fuck? Oh, we spit a circle hook. Wire lead. Me bumbo. Jaja God. God damn, about one mile me run down here to Ras.
Boom!
Mr. Brother, me see you right jump out and start running, you know? Jaja God. It was a 1 mile run, guys. That was crazy. That was a big fish. He got hooked up and I wanted to catch the action, so I was trying to get down there to catch the action. I'm back to my lines, guys. I gotta check my lines. Make sure I'm baited up and I'm alright. Stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here.